Hello, today I'm in Dacia Lodgy. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, take a look in the middle of the car. Right here we've got this panel. To enable cruise control, press this button on the left side. Now cruise control is enabled. Now accelerate to desired speed and then press this button on the bottom. Now you can take your leg off the acceleration pedal, and to increase the speed, press this button on the top. To decrease it, press this button on the bottom. To pause cruise control, press this button here. To start it over, again press this button. To disable cruise control, press this button in the middle. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.